how to get out of the J cell of YouTube, whereby you have been posting consistently, you are not getting the thing that you are getting or you are looking for. Get out of the J cell, which is no views, no watch time, no subscribers, no audience. Yes, a lot of YouTubers are in this jail. Yeah, in this in the sense that it's not like they don't know what they are doing. It is not like they don't know that posting video regularly is a key. Uh-huh. It is not like that. But what I want you to get in mind or to know about is the fact that number one, you have to shift your mind from that mindset of you don't have views, you don't have subscribers, you don't have watch time, you don't have audience. Shift your mind away from that. Don't always be thinking that I don't have subscribers, I don't have views, I'm not motivated in posting videos, I'm not motivated in creating videos, I'm not motivated in showing or sharing my ideas. Please take that thing away from your mind, because the moment you are able to shift that mentality of yours, you are going to get it right. But then again, the next thing you have to do, you start to think of how can you get your audience to know you, how do you get your subscribers, how do you get people watching and listening to you, because you don't want to be posting videos and the video you are posting is all about you. No, you are coming on YouTube for you to get people to come and learn something from you. You have an impact, you have a value, and that value need to be seen by somebody, which are what? Your viewers. You need your viewers to be coming to watch your videos. Your viewers are the ones that are going to get you into the MVP. Your viewers are going to get you the brand deals, those things, those monetization, those things that you are looking for. So you have to research. You have to look for ways that, oh, this is the way I need to do it. You need to fashion things, which is you try to do collaboration with people, you try to get audience, people that are already big on their channel, try to liaise with them, communicate, chat with people, meet with them one on one, collaborate. Don't be afraid to speak. The highest anybody can do to you is to reject your offer that I like to do collaboration with you. If the person does not want, you leave the person and move on to the next person till you get to the one person that's going to help your channel to the right levels. Now, the third part is how do you get your channel monetized? Now, that one is one of the most crucial thing on this YouTube space. Everybody wants to get their channel monetized, including myself. I want to get my channel monetized. Now, the one thing I've been using is to go live stream. Like going live stream help people's channel. People are testifying. People have made their channel monetized through posting consistently on YouTube. Some has used 1 month, 2 months to get their channel monetized. Sometimes some people might be very slow in the sense that your channel is not getting viral, people are not staying longer on your live stream, and then you will not get the viewer, because your viewers are those who stay on your live stream or who stay on your videos, who watch your videos, who come back. They are both existing futuristic and the existing subscribers you have on your channel. So, but wherever your audience or your subscribers are not turning into your viewers, your channel will never get monetized, because they are not getting that time. They are not staying that retention, because retention is paramount to your channel. So once the paramount is not being met, how can it possible? So posting live stream for 1,000 hours, 3,000 hours, and people are not coming to watch it. That means you're wasting your time. Also on the live stream, you have maximum you can stay 1 hour and above, but don't exceed 12 hours. Don't even reach 12 hours. 11 hours maximum. Just stay on the live stream 11 hours. But then, when nobody are coming, please try to exit the live that particular live stream and create another live stream. Continue like that. Okay. If it's one time or twice in a week you want to do live stream, fine. If you want to do it consistently on a daily basis, either morning and evening, continue. If you have the resources and means to go about it, please do it. Okay. Another thing as a YouTuber to consider is the fact that you need to start from where you are. Yeah, start with what you have. Oftentimes, a lot of YouTubers are always like, I need to have a fine camera phone. I need to have DSLR camera. I need to have so many fine things, gadget, lighting, and so on. That is where a lot of YouTubers are getting it wrong. You need to start with what you have. The phone you are using to watch me is simply a smartphone, right? It has internet, it has data. Why don't you start YouTube? You have space on your phone. Why don't you start your YouTube channel? You have it in mind, you want to start, but you I don't know what you are waiting for. Maybe for us to come and flog you, to come and drag you, to come and push you to the wall before you know that you need to start your YouTube channel. See, gone are the days a lot of persons need to be flogged or to be talked into. YouTube is changing life of people. See, once you have started your YouTube channel, you learn as you go. Don't wait till you get perfect. This is what many of us are getting mistake. For me, I wanted to start YouTube. I took a lot of years before I started. When I wanted to get it right, I wanted to know how to do about this, how to post video, how to do that. But then I still did not know much things about YouTube. I don't know my way. But then I started anyways, regardless. I started. And then I was watching other people's videos. Because the moment I started my YouTube channel, I started knowing the right thing to ask. I started knowing the right question to go ask other YouTubers for me to get to the limelight, you know. So I started posting and watching videos. If you check my first videos on my channel, although for some reasons currently at the moment you will not see my older videos on my channel because YouTube decided to do magical things on my channel. And then if not, I started with imperfection. Like I wasn't perfect, but I started. I need YouTube to bring my video so that you guys can go check that video and see my first ever video I posted. It wasn't perfect. It wasn't even my face. I was using my voiceover. I was using voiceover on the video. Then for my voice, you will know that this voice is about somebody who is copying and imitating somebody. And that is the worst thing you can do to yourself as a YouTuber, imitating another person. I watched one particular lady's video one day. I know this big content creator already. And then I saw another content creator who went ahead to copy that lady's video, the way she talked, every minute of that video, every action the lady took. This other creator was imitating it back to back. I was like, this is disgusting. This is disgusting. I didn't even bother myself to even continue watching the video because I've seen it all. So even if you are trying to copy somebody, please try to add your own spice, your own sense. Don't always depend on another creator because your creators, the ones you are watching, are going to be one leg ahead of you and you don't want to be the one behind. So start with what you have, with your natural sunlight, with your little microphone just like mine, or use your voice. If you have an audible voice and your environment is as quiet as this place, or not that quiet as this place, you can use your normal voice. You don't need any external mic. But when you start, maybe your channel get monetized, you will start earning, and then you can invest in other appliances. But at the moment that you are yet to get your channel monetized, you don't want to go spend a lot of money. And when you spend so much money in buying your gadget, fine things, tripod stand, camera, and all that, and then you started posting video, you are not getting views. You barely have 10 views on one particular video. For how many years? And when are you going to get your channel monetized? So you don't want to get discouraged and say, after everything I spent, I thought I'm going to recover from everything. But no, start with what you have. Start with what you have now. So as a YouTuber, another thing you need to focus on your channel is the fact that you need to just continue with one channel. Yeah, many channel or many content creators are out there posting videos, creating multiple channels because they want to go all channels at the same time. See, it is not a good thing, no. I will not lie for you. But then, why you need to create other channel is the fact that if you are always posting long form videos, and you know one thing about the YouTube algorithm is that you don't mess up your channel with live stream, short, and videos. Sometimes you need to open like three channels so that you can be posting or you focus on uh, live videos on one channel, you focus on short on one channel, and then you focus on your videos on one channel. Because if you go on YouTube, you will see different channel, they just focus on posting long form videos, no shorts, no live stream, just long form videos. And when you go to some other channels, they only have short on their channels. So as a YouTuber that is trying to grow, you need that kind of mindset. Once you get that, if you are about to do that, do it. But I mind you, don't use those channels on a particular device to be restreaming your videos because YouTube will count it as reputation. They might even ban your channel for doing that because they'll know that the IP address on that particular phone knows that you have created like multiple accounts. So you have to have other phones that you can use in creating different accounts. Then you can watch your channels. No problem. Nobody's gonna crucify you for that. But the moment you want to be a YouTuber, focus on one particular channel and grow it to a maximum level, then you leave it and go create another one and then you focus on. Don't have multiple channels trying to build all of them. Before you know it, you are just jack of trade and you are not earning anything. You are losing, you are burning data, you are burning energy in posting. So guys, I just want you to know that YouTube is easy and it's not that hard. Don't listen to anybody that is trying to like tell you that, oh, YouTube is so hard, it's so hard, it's so hard. As you are going, you will get perfect on the way. All these things I've been saying, I did not script it. I am just using one level of knowledge to just kick and break it in different ways. Okay, so if you are good, you are good. So that is why you need to be encouraged and do things right. Okay, I hope this video, like I was saying, is helpful to you. If you know it's helpful and you want to see my video, you want to listen to my voice, do well to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe if you so wish. We are growing, we are a growing channel, okay? Thank you all for watching and see you on my next one. Bye bye.